Hi, and welcome to this gentle yoga flow. In today's class, we're going to practice mobilizing and stretching the full body so that at the end of class, you'll feel energized, refreshed, and grounded. Let's begin today's class by connecting to the breath with some cat-cow. So come onto your mat. Place your hands right underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. Round through your back, spread through your shoulder blades. As you inhale, go the other way. Let your heart start to melt towards the ground. The shoulders relax. As you exhale, round through your spine, spread your shoulder blades. And as you inhale, let the spine sink the other way. 2 more rounds, nice and gentle, exploring the range with your breath, flowing with your breath. Good, now come into neutral spine. Take your right hand behind your head as you inhale, spin your chest open. And as you exhale, slide your arm through. Stay upright here, or for a deeper stretch, lower your shoulder to the ground and stretch your left arm overhead. Good. Come back up. Left hand behind the head as you inhale, spin open. And as you exhale, slide the arm through. Stay up here or lower the shoulder to the ground and reach the right hand out along the ground. Breathing into the opening there in your back. Job. Coming back up, stretch back into extended child's pose. From extended child's, look in between your hands and then lower your chest and your chin to the ground. Slide through into cobra. Pressing down to the tops of the feet. Let your heart roll open. Lower the heart back down. Press back up and stretch back into downward facing dog now. Walk your feet forward to the front of your mat. Bend the knees, let your head drop and your spine release. Now roll yourself up, 1 vertebra at a time. As you stand tall here, bring the palms together. With the eyes closed. Take a slow breath into the nose to fill the lungs. And let it all the way out. Open the eyes, bring your arms down to your side. As you inhale, float the arms up overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bring your hands to your shins, make a flat back, elongate. Exhale, step your left leg back and lower the knee. Inhale, raise arms up. Exhale, pull the elbows back and down, lift your heart, prana mudra. Inhale, reach up, touch palms. Exhale, plant your left hand and twist right arm up. Bring your right hand down, curl the back toes, lift the back knee. Step back, downward facing dog pose. From down dog, look in between your hands, lower knees, chest, chin. Slide into cobra and inhale. Good. Lower your heart back down. Press back up. Downward facing dog. Reconnect to your breath. Raise the left leg up, stretch and reach. Step your foot all the way up to your thumb. Lower back knee down. Inhale, raise arms up. Exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale, touch palms as you look up. Bring the right hand down and twist. Left arm up. Left hand down. Curl back toes, lift back knee. Pause here. Then step your back leg forward and fold forward. Roll yourself up. Gently, one vertebra at a time. Raise your arms up and overhead. And fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, hands to shins, find length through your spine. Exhale, step the right leg back and lower your knee down. Inhale, float the arms up, lift. Exhale, bend your elbows as you lift your heart. Inhale, touch palms up overhead. And as you exhale, plant your right hand, twist, left arm up. Now lift the back knee up in this twist. From here, can you wrap your left arm behind your back towards your right pocket? Feel your shoulder and your chest roll open. Now unhook that arm and reach it all the way over your ear, turning the palm to face down. Bring your left hand down to the ground. Lower your back knee down and bring your hips back over top of your right knee. Slide your left foot forward or creep your left toes forward along the mat. As you inhale, press down through the fingertips and reach your heart forward to find length. Telescoping the spine forward. And as you exhale, let your left thigh bone relax towards the ground. Good job. Bend that knee, left knee, plant hands and step back into downward facing dog. Look in between your hands, lower knees, chest, chin. Slide into cobra pose. Use your back muscles here. Do you engage the legs, hug in the legs like one leg. Lower your heart back down and press back up. Downward facing dog. Raise the right leg as you inhale. Step your foot all the way up. Back knee down. Raise your arms, inhale. Exhale, bend elbows. Inhale, touch palms up overhead. And as you exhale, plant the left hand and twist. Right arm up. Hook your right arm behind your back. Breathe through your nose. Unhook that right arm and now let's reach it over the ear. Still rolling the chest open. Bring that right hand back down to the ground. Back knee down. Bring your hips back over top of your left knee. And then slide or creep the right toes forward. As you inhale, come up onto fingertips. And feel the spine unwind and telescope forward. And as you exhale, let your right thigh bone release towards the floor. Good. Bend the right knee. Curl the back toes, lift the back knee. Step back leg forward. Fold. Roll yourself up. Raise arms up overhead. And fold forward. Inhale into a flat back, find length. Step left leg back, lower knee down. As you plant your left hand, wiggle your right toes to the right, maybe 5-6 inches. Place your right hand on your right thigh and roll your chest open as you stretch the right inner leg. Breathe into that. Nicely done. Bring that right knee back to center. Now plant your right hand on the inside of your foot. Lift back knee up. So you're in this deep lunge. Now from here, can you turn your back heel down? Take your left arm up or bring your left hand onto your hip and spin your chest open. If you need to come up onto fingertips or a block, that's fine. Good. Plant that left hand down, back heel up. Now check it out. From here, we're going to step the back leg forward and then step the forward leg back. So you're into the lunge, back knee down, left hand comes to the inside of the knee. Peel the thigh open as you roll your chest open. Lizard stretch. Breathe into that. Good. Now bring that knee back to center. Hand on the inside of the foot. Lift back knee up. Pause here. Now spin the back heel bone down to the ground. Right hand comes to the hip or reach your right arm straight up. Don't force or push the body. Go to where you feel the stretch and breathe. Allow the breath to soothe the body open, calming the nervous system, feeling the peace from the inside out. Good job. Hands back down. Step your back leg forward now. And coming into your best yogi squat. Could be with the fingertips down, the hips elevated a bit, or you might be able to lower the hips all the way towards the heels. Good. Now straighten your legs. Step back to downward facing dog. Set your knees down. Cross your legs behind you. Make your way to sit back. And with your legs crossed here, going to close the eyes and let the awareness go in. Now as you feel the vibration the inner hum or buzz of energy in your body that you've cultivated through your practice. Just notice how good you feel here. Calm, relaxed. But you've tapped into your inner sense of bliss and prana, or life force energy. We didn't have to add anything or take anything away. It was already there. Always available to us to connect to. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. If you have extra time and you'd like to take a shavasana, then I suggest lying down on your back for a few minutes with your eyes closed, watching your breath.